Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to be doing stage 68 of Hero Collector Negomos's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so exciting one today because we actually start the upper frame. I've had it here for a couple of weeks now. Been trying to get through this backlog of Ecto 1 that I've had, and I finally got to it. So yeah, let me show you what we get and what we're doing. So in here, I'll show you what we get. So we're starting the upper frame. This is the part we're doing today. So this is the one we did last time, 67, and we're on to 68. So there's not actually a lot to do today. It's just this page here. So what we're going to be doing is adding these two parts, one on each side, with some BM screws. Then we're going to put this little catch just in the center here. Then we're going to remove this sticky part here, add it to the information plate there, and then add the information plate down at the bottom of the Ecto 1's sort of like bonnet compartment there. And that's going to be it for today. So nice, quick and easy video. And then next time we start adding more and more of the frame on. So yeah, exciting one, and I can't wait to get started with this upper frame. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. So this is what we get in this one. Nice, big, chunky black bit of frame. And yeah, we're just going to add in a couple of bits to this, nothing too much. Mainly going to be working down this area here. Got to add these two details on first. So one end's going one side, one's going the other side. I do believe this one is for this side. Just add that on there. And this one is for this side. They are labelled L and R. So if I was to swap these round, they'd be the wrong way round. So yeah, that's the right way they want to go. Let's secure them in with some BM screws. So let's get the first one of these BM screws in. I'm going to put it just down here. That's the first one. Second one just next to that. Big issue this, but yeah, not a lot to do with it. So get that nice and tight. That's nice and secure on there. Now we'll just secure the other side in. Lower that one down. Screw that one down all the way. Just there. And one more, just in the front here. There we are, that's them two on, just like so. So now we can take this little detail here, and this is going to slide just in the top. It does have a key notch cut out in there, just like down in there, so we can get that lined up. Then a BP screw from the underside of that. So I'm going to secure that with my finger, just there, turn it over, and we can put a BP screw in the bottom there. There we are. That is that pretty much done. Final step now. They do actually supply us, which they didn't do with the DeLorean or anything, a little sticker and a VN information plate. So yeah, that's really, really good. Nice of them to do that. So we just need to peel the back of this off. It should be double-sided tape. So I've peeled one side off. I'm going to stick that to the back on here. This information plate is metal. Line that up just on there. Just use a knife to get the back end off of that. There we are. Now we can line this up down in this little area here. It's going to go just around about what about there? Just like so. And believe it or not, that is this issue complete. So now coming up next time, I did show you earlier, we do get the middle part of the frame. This is the big bit of the delivery. It's all of the inner bit of the frame, the middle section. And yeah, we're just adding some more parts on there as well. We're altering the headlights that we made in the, I think it's the second issue we made that. So yeah, we're altering that as well. So there you go guys, a nice, quick and easy issue that for you to start off the week. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.